Hello student, this is Yashadhari. In this video, we continue with the seed filling algorithms. That's a flood fill algorithm. In last video, we know about how the boundary fill algorithm will help to fill the polygon. It's the another one is a flood fill. This is also comes under the seed fill algorithm only. How it is filling the algorithm differ from the boundary. We will see. Okay. So this is also comes under a seed fill algorithm. We know that, right? So seed here nothing but your a pixel of a taken pixel from a given polygon. But in boundary, the boundary of a polygon, given polygon is a single boundary color. In this example, it's a red color. So how the flood will be different from the boundary we'll see. Here we make having the one polygon that is square, right? So one edge having a red and another one is green and some other boundary has a yellow, right? I hope this is visible to all. So this is how the flood will be working, means the given polygon having a different boundary colors. So how it will fill the inside the polygon with a new color, means we are taking some other color differ from the boundary. Okay, so suppose we want to fill in this with a purple color. Okay, this will fill with a purple color. How it possible, means we taking a pixel, right? That is seed. Now it will check the same method, taking a 4 connected and 8 connected, it will continue to fill the polygon. Okay, so basically it is used operate by selecting a seed that is nothing but your pixel and checking the color of all the neighboring pixel nothing but your top, bottom, right, left, right, and diagonal in for a 8 connector, right? So it will check first the pixel is inside. Okay, check, and then it will check it will a neighboring pixels having a previously colored and it will match with a new color. If not, then it will take select the selected color and fill that pixel. Okay, if a neighboring pixel has the same color as the selected one, it get filled with a new color. I hope this is clear. Means whatever a pixel we are taking, it will check with the neighboring and it will matching with the old color and new color. If it is satisfied, means it is having a not a boundary color, so it will new old color and we want to fill with a new color, means that is a purple. Okay, it will fill and it will continue with using a either 4 connected method and 8 connected methods. Okay, this process continue spreading outward until it hits the boundaries, because here boundary are having a different colors. So it will check the water pixel having a color with a new color, then it is satisfied, it will fill with a new selected one, and if it match with the boundary, means it is a comes in a boundary of a polygon, so it will stop there. This is an example of a flood fill. Here the polygon is given. Okay, so boundaries have a blue, green, and this is one of maroon, I think. Okay, so we want to fill with a red color. First in this it will check this, we checking this pixel. Okay, so first it will check it is a pixel inside. Okay, then it will check is there any color is there for that pixel, is that matching with the any boundary. No, then it will fill with a new color, that is we selected red. Okay, this is how it will work. Then it will take check the its neighboring, means that is a top, bottom, right and left, right? So it will check this is how it will fill with the top, bottom, right and left. I hope this is clear. Now How it will start? Means the procedure of this one. Start at the seed point, select a point inside the region that needs to be filled. That is your pixel. Second, it will check a neighboring pixels, surrounding pixels either for 8 or 4 connected or 8 connected, and see if they are shared the same color as a seed pixel. Then it will fill the pixel with replace the color of the neighboring pixel with a new color, fill color, if they match the target color. Target means we are decided color, it will fill that pixel. So it is repeated continue until and unless it will reach the boundary of a polygon. Okay, so this process here they given, continue this process for each pixel that gets filled, checking its neighbors until the entire region is covered and no more matching pixels are found. This algorithm recursively calls, right? So it will, why it calling a recursively means it will check all the pixels to connected that pixels, right? That for filling that polygon. So recursion sometimes lead to a stack overflow. Okay, this is a drawback of this one in a large area. If considering the polygon is a big size, then in that case its a stack may be overflow. To avoid this, the iterative version using a stack can be employed. Okay, so this is a final result of flood filling algorithm. Okay, so this is a procedure for a pseudocode for a flood fill algorithm. So here x, y are a coordinate of a pixel. Old color means that is the pixel having a, we want to fill a new color. Okay, that is a new color. So current color means the pixels are get the pixel of a xy. What are the that called a current color. If current color means whatever the pixel we are taking, we have to check the current color is equals to old color, and here though two conditions are there. If current color is equals to old color, then the current color is not equals to new color, then we want to set that pixel as a new color, means filling with a new color. Okay, if current color is not of a whatever we targeted color of a pixel, then it will set that pixel and it will fill with a chosen color. It is recursive call, either you have to use a 4 connected or a 8 connected. In boundary fill we explained that how this code is coming, right? Flood fill of a 4 is indicated for a 4 connected method. So what we having a x plus 1 and y means this is your a selected pixel, then x plus 1 means here this pixel. Okay, and x plus x minus y, x minus 1 comma y is this one, and y plus 1, x comma y plus 1 is top one, and bottom is x comma y minus 1. This is for a 4 connector. X minus y 1 comma y old color comma new color is for your right side of that pixel. This is a top, this is a bottom, and okay, and the procedure. This is for 4 connected. Similarly, 8 connected we are checking, and for 8 connected we are using a 8 coordinate, that is x plus 1 y, x minus 1 y, x comma y plus 1 old color and new color. This is continue with the 8. Okay, it's procedure. And I hope these seed fill algorithms are clear to everyone. If you not, we will I will give the difference between the both the seed fields of a boundary and a flood in a next video. Thank you.